In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best indoor smart gardens. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best indoor smart gardens. Number 5. InBloom Hydroponics Growing System. For a compact and versatile indoor garden, the InBloom Hydroponics growing system is a fantastic option. It features 5 growing pods, a height-adjustable LED grow light, and a self-watering system to ensure optimal growth. The 2.5-liter water tank provides roots with plenty of space to expand, while the built-in pump keeps oxygen flowing for healthier plants. Designed with urban living in mind, this garden is small yet powerful, making it easy to grow fresh herbs and vegetables anywhere. One of its standout features is its scientifically calibrated lighting system, developed in collaboration with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL. The system boosts red light output by 20%, optimizing photosynthesis and increasing plant yield. It's also made from sustainable, recycled materials, making it an eco-conscious choice. If you want a space-saving, smart gardening solution that grows plants efficiently and adds a touch of green to your home, the InBloom system is a wonderful pick. Number 4. Lettuce Grow Farmstand Nook. For those who want to grow a large variety of fresh produce indoors, the Lettuce Grow Farmstand Nook is a dream come true. This vertical hydroponic system can grow 20 plants at once, and thanks to its self-watering and automated light system, you don't need a green thumb to be successful. Just add water and nutrients and the system takes care of everything else. It's a mess-free, soil-free way to grow fresh food all year round. One of the biggest advantages is the included 20 pre-sprouted seedlings, which let you harvest up to 3 weeks earlier than traditional gardening. From leafy greens and herbs to fruits and veggies, this smart garden transforms any indoor space into a fresh food oasis. Plus, with 95% less water usage than conventional gardening, it's an environmentally friendly way to grow your own produce. If you're serious about sustainable indoor gardening, the Lettuce Grow Farmstand Nook is an amazing investment. Number 3. Ingarden Microgreens Growing Kit. If you're looking to boost your health and nutrition, the Ingarden Microgreens Growing Kit is a game changer. Microgreens are packed with 40 times more nutrients than mature vegetables, and this system makes growing them effortless. It includes 3 organic seed pads. Just place them in the ceramic base, add water, and press the button to start growing. The hydroponic watering system and 15-watt LED grow light ensure fast, nutrient-rich growth in just 7 days. Beyond the health benefits, this smart garden is also an eco-friendly choice. It uses 90% less water than traditional gardening, features a plastic-free stainless steel and ceramic design, and is carbon neutral certified. Plus, for every unit sold, a meal is donated to a child in need through Share the Meal. If you're looking for a stylish, sustainable, and nutrient-packed way to grow fresh greens, the Ingarden Microgreens Kit is the perfect pick. Number 2. Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. For a simple, beginner-friendly indoor garden, the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit is a fantastic choice. It comes with 3 pre-seeded basil pods and a self-watering system that makes growing fresh herbs and veggies effortless. Just drop in the pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in. It takes care of the rest. The energy-efficient LED grow lights provide the perfect environment for healthy, vibrant plants, no matter the season. What's great about this system is the huge variety of plant pods available. Over 50 different options, including lavender, cilantro, wild strawberries, and even chili peppers. Want to experiment? You can also use seedless pods to grow anything you like. It's a hassle-free, mess-free way to bring fresh flavors to your kitchen. If you're new to smart gardening or just want a low-maintenance way to enjoy fresh herbs, the Click and Grow system is an excellent choice. Number 1. AeroGarden Bounty Elite. The AeroGarden Bounty Elite is the ultimate smart garden for growing fresh herbs, veggies, and flowers right from your kitchen. With space for up to 9 plants, a powerful 50-watt LED grow light, and a sleek stainless steel design, this system is built for both efficiency and style. The automatic timer ensures your plants get just the right amount of light, while the touchscreen display keeps you updated on water levels, plant food, and more. Even better, the vacation mode keeps everything thriving while you're away. But what truly sets this smart garden apart is its Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility. Simply use the AeroGarden app or your Amazon Echo to monitor and adjust your garden from anywhere. Whether you're growing fresh basil, cherry tomatoes, or vibrant flowers, this system helps your plants grow 5 times faster than traditional gardening, without the mess of soil. If you want an advanced, low-maintenance way to grow fresh ingredients all year round, the AeroGarden Bounty Elite is a top-tier choice. No matter your space or experience level, these indoor smart gardens make growing fresh herbs, vegetables, and microgreens easier than ever. Investing in an indoor garden means fresher ingredients, fewer trips to the store, and a greener, more sustainable lifestyle right at home. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.